Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel Nurturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of green chilies. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos. If at all you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so that we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further. Green chili. Green chili is an important part of Indian cuisine. Without it, dishes would be incomplete. It is used in almost every savory dish. There are about 200 different species of chilies. Chili is mainly available in humid and dry areas. There are majorly three kinds of chilies available, which are black pearl pepper, bishop's crown pepper, and black Hungarian pepper. India is the largest consumer, producer, and exporter of chilies in the world. Green chilies contain capsaicin, which produces a cooling effect in your body. It has 0 calories and contains lots of vitamins and minerals. Rich in antioxidants. Green chilies contain lots of antioxidants which prevent the formation of blood clot, reduces damaging effects of bacteria in our bodies. It also prevents cancer and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Anti-inflammatory. Green chilies, as we already know, help with relieving the pain and also the swelling linked with appalling bone disorders like arthritis, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid, etc. Soothing effect on the respiratory system. The phytonutrients present in chilies relax the respiratory passage and also lower the danger of lung cancer, along with prevention of problems associated with lungs such as asthma, cough, and cold. Antibacterial properties. Its antibacterial properties keep us safe from infections such as colon infections, athlete's foot, and herpes zoster. Boosts the immunity. Green chilies contain vital nutrients such as vitamins B6 and C, which boosts the body's immunity to handle the diseases. Digestive health. A significant benefit of consuming green chilies is that it is loaded with essential dietary fiber, which helps in cleansing of the colon. It aids in healthy bowel movements and prevents constipation. Calcium rich. Green chilies are the finest source of calcium and help to keep our teeth and bones healthy and strong. Additionally, it repairs the tissues and contributes to create new blood cells. Improves vision. Vitamin A present in the green chilies is one of the essential nutrients which are helpful in improving the vision and reduces the risk of cataracts and muscular degeneration which happens with age. Aids in weight loss. It is known that green chilies have no calories and therefore increases the metabolism of the body and hence burning the excess fat from the body. Helps keeping the skin radiant and young. The super antioxidant vitamin C facilitates the creation of vital collagen, which helps and maintains the firmness and the health of the skin. It acts as a barrier, thereby preventing damage. Phytonutrients also cure acne, rashes, pimples, blemishes, and wrinkles. And the vitamin E produces natural oils which are good for skin. Improves mood. The capsaicin present in the green chilies releases the feel-good endorphins and act as an antidepressant which helps in keeping your mood positive. Makes the hair healthy. Green chilies are known to make hair healthy as it contains such natural silicones which not only improve the circulation of blood to the scalp but also to the hair follicles and protects the hair follicles by working as a growth stimulator. The vitamin C present in these chilies absorb iron and provides oxygen to hair, thereby prevention of split ends and hair breakage. How to buy and store green chili. Buy green chilies only that are fresh and green in color. Store them in a refrigerator. Uses of green chili. Headache and migraine. 7 dried red chilies are put in about 150 grams of heated ghee and fried till chilies turn blackish. The ghee is then separated from the red chilies and stored in a bottle. This ghee can be used to lightly massage the forehead and the area around the ears to experience relief from scorpion sting. 3 pinches red chili powder is mixed with a few drops of water to prepare a thick paste. This paste, if applied over the body part affected by the scorpion sting, gives relief and is said to reduce and remove the poison. Throat irritation. Put 10 rose flowers in 1 cup of water and boil it over simmering flame for 2 minutes. Strain the solution and add about 3 pinches of red chili powder. Use this solution for gargling when it is comfortably warm to get rid of throat irritation. Arthritic pain. To derive the analgesic benefits of chili, add 1 inch long fresh ginger and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder in half cup of warm sesame seed oil and mix it thoroughly. Rub this oil gently on the affected body parts to heal the pain. Moreover, when dealing with rheumatoid arthritis, you can prepare a home medicine by putting 10 grams of red chili powder in a mixture of 60 ml of water and 75 ml of whiskey, vodka or brandy. The mixture can be stored in a bottle and used whenever necessary. Flatulence. To get rid of gas and flatulence, prepare a remedy by adding half teaspoon of red chili powder, a pinch of black salt and half teaspoon of cumin seed powder to 1 glass of warm water. Stir it thoroughly till the ingredients mix evenly with the water. Consume it when the symptoms occur. Ringworm. Heat up 175 ml of mustard oil and then put 125 grams of red chili in it. Fry until the chilies turn blackish. Remove the vessel, let it cool. Strain the oil and store it in a bottle. Apply this oil to the ringworm 2 to 3 times a day. Put 10 roses. Sore throat. Simply gargling with a solution of water mixed with a half teaspoon of dried chili powder is helpful in treating sore throat. Sinus infection. Consumption of red chilies and having soups containing hot chili peppers and chili powder helps heal sinus infection. Nausea. Nausea is to prepare a paste of 1 green chili and half a teaspoon of camphor and 2 teaspoons of lime juice in it and consume a quarter teaspoon of this mixture. It may cause a burning sensation. Thus, it is suggested to follow this procedure only in case of severe nausea or diarrhea. Weight loss. Taking a glass of warm water mixed with a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder, serves one of the best chili home remedies for losing weight naturally. Toothache. When dealing with toothache, apply a mixture of clove oil and chili powder on the affected area. Besides, you can soak a cotton ball in some cayenne pepper oil and apply it. Side effects and allergies of green chili. If consumed in high quantities, green chili can cause stomach and skin irritation. Consuming extremely hot chili can not only burn the mouth from inside, but can also be very irritating when evacuated from the body. Ensure that you wash your hands after touching chili food items or chilies, and do not touch your nose, eyes, mouth, or any other sensitive body parts after you have handled chilies. The high amount of capsaicin is very toxic and can be very painful. Fun facts about chili. Chili peppers are the fruits of capsicum pepper plants, noted for their hot flavor. Chili peppers are native to South and Central America. Chili peppers were domesticated more than 6,000 years ago in Mexico, in the region that extends across southern Puebla and northern Oaxaca to southeastern Veracruz. They were one of the first self-pollinating crops cultivated in Mexico, Central America, and parts of South America. In early civilizations, such as Incas, Mayans, and Aztecs, chili peppers were used as currency. Peru is considered the country with the highest cultivated chili peppers diversity because it is a center of diversification, where varieties of all five domesticates were introduced, grown, and consumed in pre-Columbian times. Bolivia is considered to be the country where the largest diversity of wild chili peppers is consumed. Chili was brought to the rest of the world by Christopher Columbus, who discovered America in 1493. Christopher had set from Spain to reach India to bring spices such as pepper back to this country. Christopher not only mistook America for India, but also mistook chili as a black pepper. That is how chili got the name, chili pepper. He took chili pepper back to Spain, where it became a very famous spice. Chili spread to the rest of European countries. Chili became the indispensable spice in the European cuisines. In 1498, the Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama reached Indian shores, bringing with him the pungent spice. Chili seeds were brought to North America for cultivation. In 1888, experiments began for crossbreeding of chili plants. New breeds of chili plants were evolved. In 1906, a new variety of chili, Anaheim, was grown. Today, there are more than 400 different varieties of chilies found all over the world. Many of the most common chili peppers are cultivars of Capsicum annum, including the cayenne, jalapeno, serrano, and Thai chili peppers. Some of the hottest chili peppers include the cultivars of C. Chinese, including the habanero, the Carolina Reaper, and the ghost chili pepper or Bhut Jolakia. Though Tabasco is a cultivar of C. The intensity of the heat of chili peppers is commonly reported in Scoville heat units, SHU. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the hottest chili pepper in the world is Carolina Reaper with a measure of 15,69,300 Scoville heat units SHU. The measurement that quantifies spiciness via concentration of capsaicinoids in the pepper. For reference, bell peppers have an SHU measure of 0 and Tabasco sauce measures in at around 2500 SHU, making the Carolina Reaper very deserving of its name. The substances that give chili peppers their intensity when ingested or applied topically are capsaicin and related compounds known as capsaicinoids. Capsaicin is produced by the plant as a defense against mammalian predators and microbes. In particular, Fusarium fungus carried by hemipteran insects that attack certain species of chili peppers, according to one study. When peppers are consumed by mammals such as humans, capsaicin binds with pain receptors in the mouth and throat, potentially evoking pain via spinal relays to the brainstem and thalamus where the heat and discomfort are perceived. There are only 40 calories in 100 grams, that is 3.5 ounces of chili pepper. Chili peppers can be eaten fresh or dried and are used to make chili powder and to flavor barbecue, hot curry, and other spicy sauces. India is world's largest producer and exporter of chili, with 25% of world's total production. Chili Day is celebrated on the fourth Thursday in February, on the grounds that hot food is most needed in a cold month. While capsaicin may burn and irritate the flesh of mammals, birds are completely immune to its effects. As a result, birds are largely responsible for helping wild peppers spread by eating them and excreting the seeds. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.